After creating systems, automation, marketing strategies, and teaching sales reps how to sell high-ticket credit repair services, I come across there's only 3 things that you need to know to run a successful, profitable, consistent, and predictable credit repair business. And that's what I'm about to share with you guys today. For the last couple of years, I've been the sales and marketing director for $3 million credit repair business that was made in less than 12 months. And as the owner of GetCreditRepairLeads.com, I've worked with a variety of different credit repair entrepreneurs that start at every level, whether they're just getting started, whether they're already making millions of dollars in their company. When you get to a level where you're having so many clients, so many leads, you're not even doing the credit repair. You know, your real job is to be the owner because you're delegating everything to everyone else. You're no longer doing credit repair. The whole goal of your business is not to work in your business. The whole goal of your business is to work on your business. Now, the number one thing that you need to grow a consistent, predictable, scalable credit repair business is a consistent source of leads that you control. I want to break this down on the different types of methods, what I see people doing when it comes to leads, because everyone's issue is they do not have enough leads. I see a lot of guys buying leads, right? Now let me tell you what's wrong with buying leads, right? So if you're buying leads, number one, you really don't know where these leads are coming from, the source of these leads. If you're selling high ticket credit repair, the way to be able to sell this service is because it's built based on people knowing you, liking you, trusting you, and believing you. It's a little bit difficult where you're buying a random list of people that don't answer the phone, that don't want to be bothered, that don't know you, to ask them to buy a high ticket service like that. So one thing I don't recommend is buying a bulk list. Number two, second thing, relying solely on referrals. Now, referrals, pros is a good sales rate, good close rate. You'll close 80% or more on referrals, but the thing is, you can't snap your fingers and referrals just pop in the door. So what I like to go to is paid advertising. See, with paid advertising, it doesn't matter what platform you use, what channel you use, as long as you got a good credit repair funnel set up along with a great automation system set up, is going to work for you. By the way, if you need a done-for-you program where we set up your automation system, where we set up your email automation, your credit repair funnel, anything like that, you need to go to the Credit Repair Leads system. It's a done-for-you credit repair marketing program. You either click the link under this video or in the bio to see if you qualify for our done-for-you credit repair program, where we get you more leads, more clients, and make you more money. The second secret that successful credit repair business owners are using to make millions of dollars a year is because they have a automation system set up. So what should this system do? It should do 3 things. Number one, it should qualify the leads. Everything you can do to make the sale easier. Number two, you need to have an automation system quickly sets the appointment for those leads that's coming. And number 3, the system needs to nurture the client. This is where the trust is built. It's in the follow-up. The system needs to do all 3 of those things for it to be a successful system. Now, number 3, you need a proven sales process. So that means a proven sales team, proven sales script. Because the thing is, when you get these appointments, you need to have a sales team to get on the phone and close these guys on a high ticket service. That are the 3 ways to build $1 million, $2 million, or $3 million credit repair business in less than 12 months. So if you want to get more leads, if you want an automation system, if you want to get your sales team trained and help with your sales, I'm going to invite you to our Done For You credit repair program. Bottom of the screen, you click on the link, see if your company qualifies. We'll get on a call with either me or my team, and we'll move forward from there. So if you like this, subscribe, like it, comment, let me know something. All right, peace.